Hi, I'm Kathy from the Plant Lady Nursery, and I'd like to introduce you to Impatiens. Impatiens are an annual plant that love the shade. They get about 18 inches tall, 18 inches wide, and they are not deer resistant. Just so you know, they're not cold tolerant. They are an annual plant. You would have to replant them every year. These guys are a great pop of color anywhere in your shade garden. They come in multiple colors, and we have these available in different sizes. We have them available in hanging baskets, in 6-packs, and in 4-inch and 6-inch. We have quite a few of them available in all different colors, and they're just absolutely gorgeous right now. So if you need some vibrant color for a shady spot, get Impatiens. They will work. They're one of my favorite plants. Stay tuned next week, and we will highlight a new plant. Thank you very much.